welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something simple, something every student can do, even it's beginner friendly. Also, this is my everyday back to school or everyday natural makeup look when I don't want to have a lot of makeup on my face and I don't want to have too much going on. I just want to keep it as natural as possible and just be done very quickly. This normally takes me about 15 minutes because of my eyebrows, but normally I'm done within 10 minutes. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, turn on that notification bell, you guys, and wait for new videos because there are more videos coming up. See, when I do my makeup, before I do my makeup in the morning, I first make sure that my skin is well prepped. I do my morning skincare routine and now my skin is ready. Now normally if I'm doing a glam makeup look, I prime my skin first, but because it's an everyday type of thing and I'm in a rush in the mornings for class, so I first go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to cover all the dark spots that I have. And I recently got this spot here, like I'm trying to deal with this, but I cover all of this with my concealer, all these parts, and I just cover them up. If you see me looking down, I'm looking at a mirror in front of me, and then I take my finger. I don't use brushes in the morning. I just use my finger to just blot everything out like that. Then I now go in with my foundation, my LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in the shade Coffee. I love this foundation because it feels like skin. It doesn't feel heavy on your skin, and it gives you this natural glow that I need, especially in winter. So I just put this on the places where I have discoloration or spots, where I literally put my concealer. I just put that around there and around my mouth area also. It's cold here and the wind is dry, so to just keep your skin as hydrated as possible. I've covered what I want to cover. It's not full coverage. I still want my scars to come through because I need to keep this as natural as possible. That's the whole point. It's supposed to be as natural as possible. It just reduces the prominence of the scars. Then once I'm done with that, I then do my eyebrows. I go in with my brow pencil. It's black, it's brown. It's a brown eyebrow pencil. It's Drugstore, and you make sure that it is sharp. Like, it needs to be very, very sharp. Go in with my concealer to clean them underneath. Dirty. I always do makeup, guys, this brush, and I just blend everything. Then go in with my Essence Make Me Eyebrow Gel Mascara, just to set my eyebrows and keep them in place. And then in the morning, I don't have time to go in with concealer. I go in with my NYX 3 Steps to Scalp Trio, and I just put this under my eyes where I would normally go in with concealer. I come in with my contour shade and I just use that to contour. Because my eyelids are like a monotone, to bring in a little bit of color, I just go in with the contour powder and I just put a little bit of it in my crease, like go in with my setting spray and I my highlighter. So I go in with this shade and I just put this. My Maybelline, it's old, I know, I use it all the time. My Maybelline Sensational Mascara. Then I go in with my L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic Mascara on top of that Maybelline one. For my lips, I didn't realize that it wasn't recording. So for my lips, I used my Maybelline Color Sensational Lip Liner in the shade Rich Wine. And then I went in with my Maybelline Color Sensational Matte Lipstick in the shade Brown Sugar. This one here. Top that off to give it this glossy look. I then put on my NYX Lingerie, if that's how it's pronounced, shimmery lip gloss in the shade Euro Trash. Let me just quickly do my hair and then I'll come back to you guys and show you the final look. So here's the final look, you guys. Like, I normally spritz my hair with water that has essential oils in it like tea tree, lemon and peppermint, and then that's it. Like, then I put on a beanie to protect my scalp from the cold, and yeah, then I don't go out like this because it's cold outside, so I literally just put on a sweater and my winter jacket and I head out to class or lecture. Today I'm going for lecture. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and like I always say, with love from me to you, may the good Lord ever stay blessing you. Please comment down below and tell me what you think about this look.